Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer AC not cooling issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. AC not cooling in the Ford Explorer is typically described as warm air blowing from the vents, reduced cooling performance, or cooling that works intermittently. Verified owner reports and service information indicate that this concern has appeared across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with differences depending on engine configuration, climate system design, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and commonly reported cause is low refrigerant level. Refrigerant can slowly leak over time through seals or connections, and insufficient refrigerant pressure can prevent the system from producing cold air. This is a frequently documented reason for reduced or lost cooling performance. Another confirmed cause involves compressor-related issues. If the AC compressor clutch does not engage or the compressor fails internally, the system cannot circulate refrigerant properly. Some owners have reported intermittent cooling before complete loss, which aligns with documented compressor wear behavior. Cooling performance has also been linked to condenser-related concerns. Blocked airflow from debris, dirt buildup, or external damage to the condenser can reduce heat dissipation, leading to weak cooling, especially in hot weather or at low speeds. Electrical and control-related issues have also been reported in certain cases. Faulty pressure sensors, control modules, or blend door actuators may prevent proper AC operation or cause inconsistent temperature output. These issues vary by model year and system configuration. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include expansion valve performance issues, internal evaporator problems, or software-related climate control behavior in newer models. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and require diagnostic confirmation. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include refrigerant leak inspection and recharge when appropriate, compressor and clutch inspection, condenser cleaning or replacement if airflow is restricted, and electronic diagnostics to identify sensor or control faults. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer AC cooling complaints are resolved through refrigerant and component-related repairs rather than complete system replacement. However, outcomes vary by model year, usage, and maintenance history. In conclusion, Ford Explorer AC not cooling issues can stem from refrigerant loss, component wear, or control-related factors. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.